We're back in the dungeon. We're loading up a little bit of Creedmoor ammo. We're gonna go to the range tomorrow, do a few things. 42.4 is our target. So the video today is about the Chargemaster Lite. I've had this for a year. I know there's better chargers out there. The Chargemaster is real popular, the 1500. This RCBS Lite for 200 bucks, if you get it on sale, it's not bad. A lot of value there. So we're 1/10 high. So when we're high, this is what I do. Instead of dumping the whole pan back in, I just got to add a little bit more here. There, 42.4. So I got to save that charge. I need to move my funnel so I don't double up. The reason for the video is I wanted to show just a quick trick. I don't know how many other people are doing this, but I'm trickling up. When this thing will get to its like 42, I start speeding it up. There. We should be right on 42.4. Need to move the funnel. I'm a lot better at this when I don't have a camera in my hand. And that's a Saturn funnel. They're okay. So the Chargemaster is supposed to be accurate to 0.1 grain, a tenth. I'd say it's close to that, maybe 0.2. My only real complaint with it is it's a little bit slow. If I could speed this up, and tonight for some reason we are throwing a grain high. So we're gonna trickle back up here. Sometimes, if it's consistently throwing high, I will set the Chargemaster 0.2 grains low, and then I will trickle up the last two. It just depends on the night and the humidity in the basement. My dehumidifier quit working. It doesn't seem to really affect the ammo, but I can tell the powder likes to stick at the end of the tube a lot more when the humidity's up. So that's just a little bit of a tip. If you guys have a dehumidifier in the basement, I would say, yeah, go ahead and do it. Okay, we're there, 42.4. You know, but for up to 1,200 yards, Chargemaster Lite, it works pretty well. I don't have to do a straw mod or anything like that. I don't have to program it. I just type in my charge weight and I go. So here we go. We're going to trickle up. We're going to try and speed this up here. There, 42.4. Let's see if we hit it on the money. Right on the money. I need to move my funnel. When I get to talking, I forget to move the funnel. But if I don't have a camera in my hand, I can really crank out 50 rounds pretty quick. So if you're on the fence about buying this versus the Lyman, I would say get the Chargemaster. I think that it's a little bit better than the Lyman. Come on. There we go. 42.4. Oh, we went 0.2 over. So we'll just knock a couple grains out. 42.5. And I do someday want to get the, I think it's the FX120 precision dispenser. You can throw a charge, I think in about 8 to 10 seconds if it's set up and optimized. The only issue with that is those are 1,200 bucks. So, you know, if my choice is to do it this way for 200, for now, this works. And that's what we're doing. And I've had pretty good success with it. Especially with 4350. I've done little gun, Hodgdon little gun for Bushmaster. This thing's great with that powder. that powder doesn't seem to stick together and it comes out in such small pieces that it hardly ever overthrows. It's amazingly accurate with a little gun. So if you run that powder, this is a good one for that. That's about it. So just a quick video on the RCBS Lite. I recommend it. It's a pretty good budget powder dispenser. So have a good one.